Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby. Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby.
Suporati, so jat me chat kelai ka Jaitbynru. So, boy, so merat pensa. Penyak be kon so boy.
They have come here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went. Somewhere Paikhana can.
Kaparti aja Hspdp ngan ong tai kini ke arteli nomor bekidon kini hang dia mau terbasan kisno aha kapatulun NPP tang suksem perstuan ahap
गजब बेइज्जती
Unfortunate that we from the party leaders and all the along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. actually we came here in the residence of Mr. Klumar meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now we do not know where their space about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where their space about, and we are trying to find them, and we let us try to find where they are, and we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the Hspdp party.
Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby. Shakalaka